less than 1 hour and 2.88% profit, trading on Thursday the 27th of September throughout the London session. Okay, straight into these trades that I've got here. Euro US dollar, I took my initial trade that I took a full stop on that, so lost 8 pips. I've taken a re-entry at one of our levels. Euro Japanese yen, same with this initial trade that I took. Got this spike up here and it stopped me out, but I got back in on a level, so back in this, looking for further downside movement. Pound US dollar, one of the first trades that I took, seeing some weakness in the pound, and I've taken this and I've actually locked in break even on this, locked a couple of pips. Pound Japanese yen, again, same with this, seeing this downside movement, took this earlier on and I've locked in a couple of pips on this. If it spins round, I won't lose anything. I'll cover my costs and have a little bit on top of that. Australian dollar Japanese yen, took this earlier on, a little tamer this movement, not too much happening on this at the moment, but it's still showing a little bit of profit. And the New Zealand dollar US dollar is the 6th trade that I'm in. Again, a little tame this one, but heading in the right direction, looking for further downside movement, just showing a little bit of profit on this. Okay, I'll pause for now and I shall be back to let you know how these trades do. These pounds look like they're pushing that 80 level, that's pushing that 20 level. I'd like to see it push through this and close below this. It's not going to. New candle, and it's just above it. So looking for this price to break this level here, make its way down towards that 0.0. Pound Japanese yen, again with this, looking for it to break this 80 level and come down towards 50. So I'll pause for now and I'll be back soon with an update. Just looking at these pound trades at the moment, I'm going to move my price stops down. I'm going to lock in 10 pips on the GU. GJ, I'm going to lock in 12 pips on this. It's giving me a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So if these spin round and come back, at least I'm going to come back with a 1-to-1 risk to reward, showing some profit on these. Euro US dollar, still not enough price action there to be able to lock in anything. Same with the EJ, although they're starting to pick up a little bit now. Australian dollar Japanese yen, that's starting to move down nicely too. If this carries on, it could be a nice quick day. New Zealand dollar US dollar still hovering there. So all looking good at the moment, but as we know, that can spin round and change in an instant. Okay, I'll pause for now and I'll be back to give you an update soon. Okay, back with an update of those trades I took. I'm out of all trades and flat the market now. I'll just quickly run through just to let you know what happened and what I actually got on them. So Euro US dollar, this first trade that I took, getting in here, you can see this spike on this candle here knocked me out, losing 8 pips on that. And the second trade that I took on the Euro US dollar, got in here, saw price come down here, and I took a profit here for +8, giving me a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. EJ, again, 2 trades taken on this. First trade I took before I did the London trade planning session with the PATI members. Took this trade here, looking for further downside movement. It spiked back up here, giving me a full stop there, so that was 10 pips. I was down 18 pips. They were the only 2 losing trades that I took today. Took a re-entry on this as it came through one of our entry points here, and I took 12 pips on that trade there. Pound US dollar, another trade that I took before doing the trade plan, and this moved nice and fast and was out of this in no time, came back and hit a price stop. I ended up taking 23 pips on the pound US dollar. Pound Japanese yen, similar story to the pound US dollar. Took the trade here before the trade plan, and again, price stop hit here, giving me 32 pips. Another nice move, and fast as well. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, took this one here, got in at 47 as it came through an entry point, got out down here, ended up taking 10 pips on this. And the last of the trades that I took this morning, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, getting in at 42, took this short, and I punched out of this for just 3 pips. But by that time I was happy. I knew that I'd had reasonable profits, started to see some price stops getting hit, and I was happy to get out of this with a small profit. So a very fast session this morning, in and out very quickly. I started trading at 7:19 and I was finished within an hour. In less than an hour I got out, took 8 trades, won 6 of those trades, I lost 2, giving me a net total of 70 pips, and that works out to a profit of plus 2.88%. Okay, I'll wind this up now. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and you'll get the heads up as and when I post these videos. And if you'd like to find out more about the way that we trade at the Price Action Traders Institute, please check out my website, which is www.uktoasia.com. You'll find all the links on there and you can find out all that we do there. Okay, thanks very much for viewing, and I'll be back soon with another video.